Hello, and welcome to Chef Henry's Kitchen. It is our second season of the show, and I am so glad to have you here. As you know, each week I bring in a new celebrity guest to cook with me. However, this week there's going to be a twist. You see, I was cooking last week, and I burnt my finger.
Aww.
Thanks, guys. And I was thinking, as I cook, I should have more knowledge about heat as I'm around it all the time. So that being said, please help me welcome my new guests, Emily, Libby, and Michael. I am very happy to have you here.
And we are very happy to be here. So what are we making?
Well, before we get into the cooking, why don't you give us a little background knowledge on heat and temperature?
Well, Michael, it's actually very simple. To start, let's talk about atoms. All matter is composed of continuously jiggling atoms, or molecules. The faster the molecules move, the hotter the object. Temperature is a measurement that tells you how cold or hot an object is based off of the average movement of the kinetic energy within the molecules of the object. Now, there are three types of heat transfers: radiation, convection, and conduction.
Wow, very interesting. Today, we will be making a pasta with sauce and reduced fat for cheese Italian cheese.
Wow!
Wow.
Yay! Awesome. So how does heat play into this?
Well, heat plays into this in three ways. One way, being conduction, will be when the hot griddle of the stove comes in contact with the bottom of the pot, causing it to heat up.
So, Emily, what's a way that convection plays into this?
Well, when the water is heated, the hot water gets less dense and goes to the top, and the cold water comes and fills its place, and it's just a cycle.
That's interesting.
Libby, what about radiation?
Well, funny that you ask. Microwaves have electromagnetic waves, so when we heat up the sauce, the electromagnetic waves will heat the sauce.
15 seconds.
No, it's going to be like
30
seconds.
That's another example of radiation, Libby.
Well, actually, Emily, Michael, you guys look pretty tan. Did you go on vacation?
Yeah, I went to Aruba, and the sun is very, very strong there. So the sun's rays make my skin this color.
Wow, awesome.
Yeah.
And what are those waves called?
Electromagnetic.
Why is this hot? Because it does have radiation.
Because the electromagnetic waves from the microwave
Heated up the
radiate
molecules.
heat through electromagnetic waves, and it goes right into the sauce. Alright, so once our pot boils, we can put the pasta in and then cook. However, first, why don't we talk about another way conduction plays into this?
What is another one?
Ow!
Wow, Henry, you burned your finger again.
What exactly happened to make you burn your finger?
Well, when I touched the pot, the heat transferred through conduction to my finger, and it really hurt.
That's why you gotta use the handles.
Wow.
Silly me!
Alright, so since the pasta's boiling now, we can put it
Mmm, boy, am I hungry.
in.
This is my dinner, though. You know that, right?
Yeah, good. I'm actually a good cook. I'm such a
I
good
need more
cook.
water.
Now I have to wait.
And
That was
Michael,
great.
do you want to stir the pasta?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Make sure you wear a glove so you
Shut
don't burn your hand.
More like
Through
not.
conduction. And this is a commercial for the convection oven.
This hot new item can cook your small needs as you wish. It works by... Boy.
It works by heating the bottom air, and that air lessens the density of that air, and it rises, and the cold air comes and fills its place of the hot air.
So it cooks your item all the way around.
In a great way with a
Nice
tray. For only $9.99. Yay!
So, as you can see, our pasta is ready.
And now we're gonna put the pasta sauce on the pasta.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Owie, it's hot.
Oh, that's conduction acting up again.
Oh, that conduction.
So, where'd our chef go though? Real talk.
I don't know.
Here, guys.
All I know is us physicists can hold down the fort.
Real talk, real talk, real talk.
Real talking talk.
So thank you for watching our cooking show, and we hope you enjoyed it.
I love you, Miss Chad.
So there you have it. Conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction occurs when two objects come into contact with each other. This can be viewed as collisions between atoms or molecules. Warm molecules bump into the cold ones and transfer the motion, and by doing so, the heat. The energy moves from molecule to molecule. So, the heat source in this situation is the stove, and it touches the pan. Convection occurs when there's a fluid being heated. The fluid is heated and becomes less dense and rises. The cooler air on the top moves in and takes its place. This is a cycle that keeps going and continues. For example, a convection oven. Radiation transfers heat through electromagnetic waves. The energy moves from the warmer object to the cooler object. Anything that has temperature radiates heat. For example, sun or even a microwave. So there you have it. That's heat transfers in a nutshell. Conduction, convection, and radiation. The three types of heat transfers. And here's our bibliography. Thanks, hope you enjoyed.
Action.
Alright, restart. Messed up.
No, Michael, you don't need to restart. Just
say
start from and. We need to calm down.
I've already.
And I was thinking, as I cook,
We are very happy to be here.
No. I am very happy to have you here.
Wow, we are very happy to be here.
So what are we making? Michael, what are you doing?
Okay, we're like.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
It's gonna be much.
We're very happy to be here.
The average movement of the kinetic energy within the molecules of the atom.
Wow, very interesting.
Not as interesting as cooking. Now, what are we cooking?
Built for the spotlight.
Read you that! This is literally Emily. Go!
Not as.
We also.
What's another way conduction is in cooking? No. I mean, convection. Start over. What's another way? What's another way? What's another way that heat is in cooking?
Which causes the bubbles at the bottom of the pan to fill up. Libby, what's another?
Guys,
Cook, I'm doing it.
There it is.
Condensation! No, I think that's
too
just
bad
it.
that's our next.